In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add story points in Jira, a crucial step for anyone involved in Agile project management. Story points are an essential tool in Scrum and other Agile methodologies used to estimate the effort required to complete a user story. Understanding how to assign them can greatly affect how your team predicts project cycles and manages workloads efficiently. Let's get started by logging into Jira. You'll want to open Jira using Google Chrome or any web browser you prefer and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, we need to navigate to the specific ticket or issue where you intend to assign story points. You have a couple of options to find the issue you're looking for. You can use the search bar for quick access or browse through your project's backlog until you find it. Once you're viewing the specific issue, your attention should be on locating the story points field. In the issue view, this field is typically situated on the right-hand side of the interface or nested under the detail section. Sometimes, with a busy interface, it might require a scroll to locate it, especially if there are a lot of details attached to your issue. If you find that the story points field isn't immediately visible, don't fret. This is not an uncommon scenario. If it's not there, it might need to be activated by a Jira admin or added to the screen you're working with. If this is the case, it's a good idea to reach out to your admin team to resolve this so you can move forward smoothly with assigning story points. Once you've successfully spotted the field, it's time to add or edit the story points. A simple click on the story points field will allow you to input a numeric value. This number should represent the estimated effort required for that particular issue. Typically, many teams use values following the Fibonacci sequence, like 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so forth, but your team might have its own set guidelines. Setting the correct number involves a bit of judgment and teamwork, reflecting the comparative effort, complexity, and uncertainty relative to other tasks. After entering your chosen number, save the changes by pressing enter or clicking the save button. This action officially assigns the story points to the issue, making sure that the newly added piece of data is captured. You should now see these points reflected in the issue details, offering your team a visual indication of the expected effort. It's important to remember that story points are designed to aid planning, not to serve as a precise measurement of time, but they are incredibly helpful for keeping the team synchronized and updated throughout sprints. That wraps up our tutorial on adding story points to an issue in Jira. The key is to maintain a smooth workflow that boosts productivity and clarity for everyone on the team. Should you encounter any difficulties or have any questions, feel free to look into Jira's help documentation or contact your Jira admin. Thank you for watching and happy sprinting.